Brody, are you waiting for Daddy? Say, Daddy, where are you? Call him. Say, Daddy, where are you? I'm not really sure why you have your hat and gloves on. You cold? Brrr. Yeah, you're cold, aren't you? Where's Daddy? Hey, Daddy, where are you? You watching for Daddy to come home? Hey, Brody. Uh-oh. You said you want him off? You want him off? Yeah. There you go. Let me see the other one. You gonna get it off? Okay. There you go. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Oh, have you had enough of that? Okay. Now go look for Daddy. Oh. Where are you going?